Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the 125 skill high grade Gundam TR-1 Advanced Hazel. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, this is my third take on this unboxing because, first of all, I messed up. Second of all, tripod fell. Third of all, I messed up again. So yeah, put it that way. So, yes, here is the box itself. Now, I apologize for not uploading some videos recently. That's mainly because, well, first of all, I'm kind of busy with internship for now, and second of all, there's not much kits in April that really interest me, except for the Sangoku kits. Since the end of Stray, Gundam Stray, Tao Wing Gundam, and Donko Apartments Gundam, those three I'm pretty interested in that, and also the SD Cross Silhouette Siskiyou, which is the only model kit we can ever get of that mobile suit, and it makes sense in SD, so why not? Heck not. So yeah, and also for the third reason why I'm not uploading much stuff recently is because I'm more into card games right now. Yes, if you follow my channel for quite a long time, you do know I do play Vanguard. Yeah, I'm trying my best on the player to watch that game, to be honest, but I mean, I sunk in the game, so I don't know how long I can last before my bank gone down. Yeah, so that way. Okay, yeah, so that's an unboxing. So yes, if you guys follow me on Instagram, yeah, if you guys want to go follow my Instagram, just go to my channel page and the links on top of the banner. You can see my Instagram. Follow me there. Yeah, RX-72 Gundam. That's my yeah, it's a funny name, but RX-72 Gundam. That's my YouTube, my Instagram account. Go follow me if you want. So yeah. If you guys didn't know, I asked you guys on Instagram what kit should I build next. It's either the Advanced Hazel, which is this kit, or the High Grade Gym 3B Master. And most of you voted for the Advanced Hazels, which I will build right away. I mean, not now, but probably next week, because yeah, I'm painting my house for now. I'm repainting my house because, man, I did not paint the house ever since I first shifted here. Like I only painted when I shifted here, and I didn't paint for the past, what, 12, no, yeah, 15, you can say 15 years, really. Yeah, I've not painted the house for 15 years, so eventually you will not see this orange background anymore, so it will be turned into, like, some kind of different color, so we'll see how it goes, but yeah. Yeah, so, Advanced Hazel. I don't know much about Advanced Zeta, but whatever it is, the mobile suits look damn nice. And second of all, the reason why I want to build this kit is because of my next kit I'm getting, which is the Premium Bandai Gundam TR-6 Hazel 2, which is basically a Woundwort in Titans colors with two sword guns as its backpack, basically, if I put it that way. But yeah, so yeah, the box art, yeah, it's not too bad. I don't know whether I'm using the marking stickers on this guy, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, on the side here, you have like some CGI shot right there, and then you got like the front back shot of the kit, which there's some misdemeanor. You know, I'll explain later when the box. But yeah, I won't be painting this immediately. I'll try to build it next week. You guys remember I did some stuff lying around, but I just briefly showed off on the side. But I'm not doing proper unboxing because I'm actually going to build this kit sometime sooner. Yeah, and on the side, yeah, you get the shield booster, which looks pretty good. The sub-arms, which I really like as well. Beam rifle, yeah, it's okay. And I guess the pose for the beam saber, if you want to do it that way. Yeah, and on the side here, you got a pose shot, and it costs 600 yen, which, if you guys didn't know right now, the newer kits don't have the price listing anymore, which is kind of weird. Alright, let's go in the box. First off, you get the manual, which we'll get back in a bit. Oops, there's the camera. Alright. Okay, first off, we got the A plate, which is, yeah, all the parts we share from the Ultra Hazel kits, basically. You've got the beam saber, yeah, it's from beam saber, it's fine. But I kind of interested to know whether if I can put like a modern beam effect onto this kit. We'll see how it goes. I'll try to test it out later. And on the side, you got the red parts, you got all the black parts, the feet, like the shield booster, the body, shield, and like the beam rifle, and then the yellow parts, which is like the, yeah. Oops, back you got the Titans blue parts, which is all most of the armor. Next kit, we've got the, next bag, we've got the E2 plate, which is for defense, which is for the defense Hazel, and yeah, use different V-fin. So yeah, and funny thing is that V-fin doesn't really. It's a totally different V-fin design. I don't know why, but remember I was seeing like on the master grade that this is like one like chunk. It looks like a safety flag, but it's actually not a safety flag. Like they purposely changed the design of the V-fin. The shield booster there, and then like the feet parts in here, like the sew on parts, and the yeah. And then on the side we have the E1 plate, which is some of the joints, which is the hands, the backpack parts, I guess, and then some joints here and there, and yeah, the very small parts of the sub arms, which I'm really worried about breaking these if I'm not careful. Yeah, and yeah, this is yeah, just to know those guys, this kit hardly uses any polycap. It used ABS plastic. So yes, back then it used ABS plastic. It's not like a modern kit, which is all soft polystyrene or polycast in there, which is interesting to actually build. I put it that way. Then you got the stickers. Not too. You don't get a lot of stickers. It's good, but there are some missing details you feel like okay. Yeah, this is the D plate, which is all the what should I call it? The joints, yeah, and again, it's ABS plastic. It says ABS plastic. Is it? Yeah, ABS plastic. So, yeah, so if you're building this kit, don't use some certain paints in this kit because I remember Gundam markers don't work in this kit, except for the armor. This on the joints don't use Gundam markers because it will destroy the plastic if I'm not mistaken. And then last part, you got more armor parts, which are like, again for the Hazel. And you get a huge thrusters on the cowl, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, we got the front skirts, back skirts, and yeah, and the polycaps. It's usually the old type. So yeah, let's put that aside and look at the manual. Yeah, so saying even though they use stickers in this kit, there is a couple of missing details when you fill in. Like I guess the camera on the forehead, like it's a gun head, but they put a new headpiece in there. I remember in the master grade they gave you the thing in pop up so you can see the little visor mono inside there, but in the high grade you don't do that. Yeah, and also like the fingertips, those are really red. I'm trying to find paint that's suitable for this kind of plastic. Yep. Basically, yeah, it's all in Japanese. It's kind of a classic. It's a classic kit, so I'm kind of interested to see how this guy turns out. Really, again, I won't be straight building. I'll be like painting some details here and there, like a semi-straight build if I put it that way. And yeah, this back shot we got the marking stickers, and then the poses you can do. So yeah, that's one unboxing of the high grade Advanced Hazel. Yeah, again, I will build this sometime later. I mean, not this week because I'm repainting my house, so I need some time to take a bit of break. So I will paint. No, okay, I will build this like probably next week. So do expect me to do it like a little build. So build here and there, a little bit like a building, and I'll get this review right after if I finish building. So yeah, so guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing. Yeah, again, I apologize for being inactive for a couple of weeks, but yeah, it's something to fill in here. And stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.